Good morning. Just going to show you how I'm constructing my journals now. I used to make altered books, that's how I started years ago, and then I moved on to making journals, and I used to make the signatures and then decorate the signatures. After a few disasters, I decided that it was better if I decorated the signatures before I actually attached them into the book. Therefore, the disaster could be quietly disposed of. And just quite recently, I came up with this idea. I've been through lap books and all the rest of it. And this is a little tiny journal. Just a pretty little thing. It measures 3.5 by 5. And then I moved on. It grew to this. This is very much influenced by Shabby Soul and Ruby and Pearl XO and lots and lots of other people over the years. But it's all constructed on the same method. And a new method, I put a board notebook inside that helps me stop having disasters. And this is how it works. You work out the size that you want, cut. This is a file folder. Unfortunately, this is the best we can do for file folders in this country. We can't get the lovely cream ones, or at least we can, but they're absolutely exorbitant, so have to make do with these natural ones. So you decide on the size, cut your card, and then you make a spine, and each spine is a little larger than the one before, and then they slot together like that. So there you've got the basis of your book. I haven't left a spine in the middle of this because I wasn't thinking straight. So there we go. That's the basic. That's all it is. Then how to decorate it? Well, same problem. If you make a mistake, you're in trouble. So I evolved using a separate sheet of paper. This is actually for one of the larger books that I'm working on, and I use that as the basis for my page. I'll show you now how it's working. This is the one I'm working on at the moment. I've just got to the cover, and as you can see, each page is just clipped in. It's going to be attached to that page, and then that will get attached to that, and I can play around at the end, because you know how things evolve, don't they? You start off with one idea, and then the paper and the things on your desk and all the rest of it have very firm ideas about what they would like to do, and colours, and you can see they've changed completely from the beginning, but it's allowing me to still match them about until I'm completely happy. And then I'm just working on the border with some beautiful lace that was given to me by a friend. So those signatures will be sewn in with the room in the middle for the notebook, a sewn in spine, a strip of paper down the front to cover it, lace over the back, and there we go. It's done. It's a lovely way to work, because you're sort of starting with a fresh canvas every day. You can go where you want with it. So I hope you like that idea. Thank you. I'll talk to you probably in about another 3 years. Thank you.